Oh, now he wants to play with me. Oh, Buddy, why'd you take it off?
Here, I'll put it on him.
I don't think I put it on the way he likes.
He likes it when I put him on it. Put it on him. Buddy! Hold still. Hold still. Hold still. Let me put this on you. Let me put this on you. If you would.
He doesn't want it right now.
All right.
Whoa, hey, Remmie. Hey, Remmie. Whoa.
Now.
Hi, guys.
That's what you were asking for. That's the best Christmas gift of all. True love.
Hi, buddy. Hi, Remmie.
Are you getting that?
I'm right here. Oh, gross. I got kissed by Remmie.
Ew. Hey, Max. Max. Max, come on. Come on. Up. 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 Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, Max. Come on. All right. All right. Sit. Sit. Shake. Oh, that's a good boy. I got you to do it.
Good boy, Maxie.
After only 10 years.
Good boy.
Finally did it. I'm so proud of you, Max. Oh, all right. All right. Let's shake again.
Go lay down, Rem. Go lay down.
You must be so proud of yourself. Ah.
Yeah, what do you think, Remmie? Stop. Never mind.
Buddy totally showed his teeth. I saw it at the side, but he did. Buddy.
You're a tough guy, huh, buddy?
Hey, buddy.
Tough guy.
I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you or not.
Whoa, really body slam. Hi, buddy. Hi, buddy. Hey, Remmie, I'm right here. Hi, buddy. Hi, Remmie. Whoa. Buddy thinks he's big and Remmie thinks he's small.
Yeah.
Remmie, you can't jump up on me like Buddy can.